Hello students, welcome to all of you Shiksha 360, and today basically we will discuss chapter number 4 MCQs. Till now basically we have discussed the theory portion with the help of the numericals and formulas. So in this session basically we have to discuss some of the basic numericals of the chapter number 4, and basically we will provide PPB accounts and legal sessions. You can join basically through our Zoom classes or recorded sessions. For any update, basically for any query, you can email or you can join our Telegram group. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for all updates. So let's start our today's session. So the first question basically present on your screens now. What it says that. So the original cost of a machinery is 2 lakh. Clear, the original cost of a machinery basically is 2 lakh. And its salvage value is rupees 40,000. Clear. Original cost is rupees 2 lakh and its salvage value is 40,000. After it's used by the firm for how many years? That is 5 years. Clear. After the use of 5 years, the value of that machine becomes 40,000. So the amount of depreciation shall be clear. So what is the amount of depreciation? Clear. So the amount of depreciation. So how we can calculate the amount of depreciation? That is original cost. This is the formula which we have discussed, that under the straight line method, minus salvage value upon number of years machine used by any firm. Clear, number of years machine used by the firm. So original cost here is 2 lakh minus salvage value 40,000. For how many years basically they will use? That is 5 years. So 1,60,000 upon 5. So it comes out to basically 32,000. Clear. So it comes out to basically 32,000. So the amount of depreciation. The amount of depreciation basically in this case is just to be 32,000. Clear. So this type of question they will ask in the examination, like amount of depreciation. Clear. So how we can calculate? Just original cost minus salvage value upon number of years. Clear. Basically that machine it is used by the firm. Clear. That machine basically it is to be used by the firms. Clear. So here basically 2 lakh minus 40,000 upon 5. 1,60,000 upon 5. Clear. It comes out to basically 32,000. So option number C is the answer here. Clear. Option number C is the answer here. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. XYZ purchased machinery. Clear. XYZ basically a firm purchased machinery of how much amount? That is of rupees 1 lakh. Clear. XYZ firm basically purchased a machinery of rupees 1 lakh. And the rate of depreciation here it is to be 10%. Clear. Rate of depreciation here it is to be 10%. At WDV method. Clear. That is return down value method. What is the amount of depreciation basically for 4 years? Clear. At return down value method, what is the amount of depreciation basically for 4 years? Clear. So how much amount is to be depreciated basically within 4 years? Clear. So how we can calculate? There are two methods of calculating basically this type of question. First of all, basically I will tell you the way basically with the through which basically we have discussed in our session. Clear. First of all, how we can calculate? Like first year, we know that basically every time in the return down value method, clear, depreciation it is to be calculated on the residual value. Okay. So original cost here it is to be rupees 1 lakh. Depreciation here it is to be 10%. So after first year, what will be the amount? 1 lakh minus 10% of 1 lakh. Okay, it is to be cancelled out. So 90,000. Clear? Second year, what will be the value? 90,000 minus 10% of 90,000. So 90,000 minus 9,000, it comes out to basically 8,100. Sorry, 81,000. Clear? It comes out to basically 81,000. Third year, 81,000 minus 10% of 81,000. Right? It means that basically 81,000 minus 8,100. 72,900. Clear? This is the value basically after third year. Fourth year, 72,900 minus 10% of 72,900. So it comes out to basically 72900 minus 7290. It comes out to basically 65,610 rupees. Clear? 65,610 rupees. Clear? So this is the value. Clear? So this is the value basically which is to be left after 4 years. Clear? After 4 years. Clear? But we will see that basically in the option, basically there is nothing, anything regarding that. So here what they are asking, basically here they are asking, what is the amount of depreciation? Clear? Basically how much depreciation it is to be going on basically within 4 years. Original value it is to be 1 lakh. 4 year, this is the value of the machine, 65,610 rupees. So how much there is to be depreciation? Clear? So how much there is to be depreciation? That is 34,390 rupees. Clear? 34,390 rupees. Basically, it is the depreciation. Clear? So option number A is the answer. That is amount of depreciation basically for 4 years. 34,390 rupees. Clear? 34,390 rupees. So option number A is the answer here. Clear? Option number A is the answer here. Okay. So I request all of you, please understand basically how to solve these types of questions. Clear? How to solve these types of questions. Clear? And in the next session, basically, I will tell you basically how to solve directly these types of questions. Clear? This is the first MCQ discussion session. So basically in this session, basically we will discuss in detail every question. Clear? Basically we will discuss in detail every question. Clear? Hope this question is now clear to all of you. Here they are asking basically what is the amount of depreciation for 4 years. Clear? Basically within 4 years. Clear? So how much amount is to be depreciated? Now move to the next question, similar type of question. Now the question it is to be different. Clear? So XYZ purchased a machinery of rupees 1 lakh and the rate of depreciation here it is to be 10%. At written down value method, what is the depreciated value basically at the end of the 4 years? Clear? Here they are asking basically what is the amount of depreciation. Clear? Basically how much there is the decrease in the value. And here they are asking appreciated value at the end of the 4 years. Clear? Basically at the end of the 4 years, what is the value of that machine basically which we have purchased 4 years ago at rupees 1 lakh. Clear? So what is the value at the end of the 4 years? It is to be 65,610 rupees. Clear? It is to be 65,610 rupees. So option number B is the answer here. Clear? Option number B is the answer here. That is 65,610 rupees. Clear? 65,610 rupees. That is the value. Clear? That is the depreciated value basically at the end of the 4 years. Clear? That is the depreciated value basically at the end of the 4 years. Clear? So in the examination, basically they will ask any type of question. Clear? Any type of question. This type of concept basically will help you in the CIB also. Clear? CIB also. Clear? Along with the JIB, JAB, it will help you in the CAB also. Clear? Because these are some of the topics basically which remains common in both the subjects. Clear? So please understand or listen these topics very carefully and try to practice maximum to maximum questions. Now move to the next question. Basically similar type of question. Now they are asking basically little bit one new thing in that. So what they are asking here, for in the first question basically we have calculated the amount of depreciation, and here basically we have calculated the depreciated value basically at the end of 4 years. Now what they are asking, XYZ basically purchased a machinery of rupees 1 lakh. Rate of depreciation here it is to be 10%. So what is the average rate of depreciation? Clear? Now they are asking basically what is the average rate of depreciation. Clear? So how we can calculate the average rate of depreciation? Here basically depreciation value upon original cost, depreciation into, for percentage it is to multiply by 100. Basically for how many years? Basically this is for 4 years. So it will be divided by 4. Clear? Or we can say that number of years. So just simply we will put the value. So what is the depreciated value? That is 34,390 rupees. Original value here it is to be 1 lakh into 100. Basically 100 basically for what? To convert it into percentage. Divide by 4 because we have to calculate the average. Clear? Divide by 4 because we have to calculate the average. Okay. So now please tell fast basically what is the correct answer in this question. 34390 divided by 1 lakh into 100 by 4. So we will approximately get here. I think there is some issue in the question. We will get here that is 8.597%. Clear? 8.597%. Clear? So this one is the answer here. Clear? Option number D is the missing here. Okay. So if at any place I am wrong, you can also tell that. Clear? So depreciation value upon original cost into 100 divided by 4. Clear? Why basically we have divided it by 4? Because it is basically for 4 years. Clear? It is basically for the 4 years. So according to that, basically we will take it here. Clear? According to that, basically we will take it here. Now move to the next question. Now next basically it is a totally case study type of question. Just for understanding the concept more clear, basically I will take that question. Okay. So basically on the basis of the information given below, answer the following question. Clear? So now let's start. Basically B Limited has been charging depreciation on the straight line method. It charges a full year depreciation even if the machinery is utilized basically only part of the year. Clear? We know that basically earlier basically in the question basically which we have discussed in the regular session, that is depreciation basically it is to be calculated on that part basically for which we have used that particular machinery. Clear? But here they are specifically mentioned it charges a full year depreciation even if the machinery is utilized. Clear? Even if the machinery is utilized only for part of the year. Clear? Even if the machinery is utilized only for the part of the year. Clear? So an equipment which was purchased for rupees 3,50,000. Clear? An equipment basically which was purchased for rupees 3,50,000 now stand at rupees 2,97,500. Clear? The machine actual cost it is this one. Now that machine basically cost this one. After depreciating basically at the rate of 5% on a straight line basis. Clear? Basically after depreciating at the rate of 5% basically on a straight line basis. Now discuss one question. Clear? So this is the amount. Clear? And basically how much rate that is of 5% on a straight line basis. Now what they are asking here, straight line depreciation per annum. Actual cost is 3,50,000. Now amount is left 2,97,500. Okay. And they are asking further that is to be 5%. Clear? 5%. Clear? So calculate 5% of 3,50,000. So it comes out to 17,500. Clear? It comes out to basically 17,500. Clear? So the straight line depreciation per annum it is to be 17,500. Clear? It comes out to be 17,500. Okay, so just what we have to do, simple, just we are calculating, this is the original value and depreciation it is to be calculated on the original value basically in the straight line depreciation method or straight line method. Just take 5% of that. It comes out to be 17,500. Now move to the next question. So number of years for which depreciation has been charged on this basis. Clear? Actual amount is 3,50,000. Now they are mentioning that it is to be 2,97,500. So what is the difference between them? 3,50,000 minus 2,97,500. It comes out to basically 52,500. And for 1 year, the depreciation it is to be 17,500. So divide it by 17,500. So it comes out to be 3. Clear? So it comes out to be 3. Clear? So number of years basically for which depreciation has been charged on this basis, it is to be 3 years. Clear? So option number B is the answer. That is, it is to basically for the 3 years. Okay. So the number of years basically for which depreciation has been charged on this basis, basically it is to be 3 years. That is option number B is the correct answer here. Clear? That is option number B is the correct answer here. That is 3 years. Okay. So first of all, basically they have given this one 5%. They are mentioning that is the depreciation here is to be 5%. So we are calculating basically every year depreciation, that is 17,500 per annum. Next question basically for how many years? This is the value and this is the value basically after some time. So now we have to calculate the time. Clear? So 1 year depreciation is this one. Total depreciation basically 52,500. So divide it by 1 year depreciation. So basically we will get here 3 years. Clear? So this one. Now move to the next question. Same type of question. If 8% depreciation was charged by the reducing balance method, that is basically WDB. Clear? That is return down value method basically at the end of the first year was. Clear? By the reducing balance method. Clear? That is basically they are saying that basically second method. Clear? So actual value it is to be 3,50,000. Now how much depreciation basically we have to charge? 8%. Clear? So we will charge 8%. So what was the value at the end of the first year? Cancel out this one. Clear? So 3,50,000 minus 3,500 into 8. 28,000. So it comes out to basically 3,22,000. Clear? So it comes out to basically 3,22,000. Clear? So the value basically at the end of the first year was basically 3,22,000. If the depreciation was charged at the 8%. Clear? If the depreciation basically was charged at the 8%. Clear? So the value at the end of the first year, that is 3,22,000. Clear? So this one is the answer here. So option number C is the answer here. Okay. Now move to the next question. Same type of question. Now next they are asking basically for the next year. So if the 8% depreciation was charged by the reducing balance method. Clear? If the 8% depreciation basically was charged by the reducing balance method. So what is the value basically at the end of the second year was? Clear? Basically at the end of the second year was. Clear? At the end of the first year, basically the value is to be 3,22,000. So basically at the end of the second year, basically what was the value? Minus 3,22,000 of basically how much percent? Basically we have to take off 8% of that. So 3,22,000 minus 3,220 into 8 minus 25,760. So 3,22,000 minus 25,760. It comes out to basically 2,96,240 rupees. Clear? 2,96,240 rupees. Clear? So this one is the answer here. Clear? So this one is the answer here. That is option number B. Clear? So straightforward question basically sometimes basically you will find in the examination, or basically with the help of the practice. Clear? Basically with the help of the practice, you are able to understand all these types of questions. Clear? Now move to the last question. Just simple thing. So if the depreciation was charged by the reducing balance method. Clear? So what was the value basically at the end of the third year? Clear? So 2,96,400 basically 240. This is the value basically at the end of the second year. Now basically we have to take 8% of that. Two lakh 96,240 minus 2,23,699.2. 23,699.2 paisa, or 20 paisa we consider. So now subtracting 2,96,240 minus 23,699.20. Clear? So basically we will get here 2,72,000, basically 540 rupees, 0.8 paisa, 80 paisa. So that is approximately equal to the option number A. Clear? 2,72,541 rupees. Clear? So option number A is the answer here. Clear? Option number A is the answer here. Clear? So these types of question basically for the understanding purpose of the concept, basically it is very beneficial for you. So I request to all of you, please go through all these points once again so that you are able to understand all these points. In this session, basically we will discuss total 9 questions. Clear? Total 9 questions that are related to straight line method and the written down value method. Clear? So there are different types of question which they will ask in the examination. So some of the basic question we have discussed today. Clear? And some more questions basically we will discuss in the next session. Clear? And in the next session basically we will discuss 1 or 2 concepts along with the numericals. Clear? And after that basically this chapter will be completed. Clear? This chapter will be completed. Clear? So thanks to all of you for joining this session.